Hi, in this video let me demonstrate how you can use your Canon printer, that is the MegaTank G4280, connected using a USB cable to your computer. This way you will avoid using Wi-Fi. It's also more reliable this way. In the box with the printer, it doesn't come with a cable, so I'll put links towards Amazon if you don't have one at home. Basically, you need a printer cable, nothing fancy. You're going to take this end of the cable and we're going to connect it first on the back of the printer. We have the back of the printer here and the port is on the right side down below. Okay, now the other part of the cable, we're going to go ahead and plug it in the side of our computer. This is a PC computer. So I'll plug it here in the USB Type-C port. At this point on your PC, you don't have to do anything. Most of the time, simply by opening the document you wish to print. So let me open a random thing here. Okay, so I have opened a picture and I will right click on it, select print. Could have been a PDF file or anything else. And usually by doing this, you should see your Canon G4080 series in this list on the top corner here. Without installing any driver, anything, your printer should detect the printer and should install everything that it's needed. Now, if you do not see it appearing, what you can do is to go on Google, and on Google type Canon MegaTank G4280 driver. Then go down and you're going to select the official Canon website. Okay, you see Canon USA, open this. Once you're on the page, you're going to select downloads, software and drivers. Okay, let me quit this. I don't want to answer any surveys. Then go down, select your operating system. I'm on Windows, select which Windows you have. Go down, and I suggest you install the master setup. So go ahead, download and launch the file. Now, before launching that file, I always recommend you remove the USB from your computer, and during the setup process that you're going to use with the file you have downloaded, it will ask you to connect the printer. So connect it when they ask you, not before. Otherwise, okay, let me go back to my picture here. Once you have selected your Canon printer, you're going to have other options like your paper size, how many copies, and you're going to press the print button. You can take out the paper tray and the print will come out. Now I will also show you how to scan. If you want to scan, this is a top document feeder, an automatic document feeder. If you want to scan, you're going to push these to the extremities. You're going to take your paper, align it, place it with the printed part facing up and with the top part of your text towards the left side. And then you have to guide it inside like that. If you want to use the the normal scanner glass that is located here, you're going to take your paper, put it facing down with the top part towards the left side, and then you're going to guide so that the top left corner of your paper touches the top left corner where you see an arrow. And then you're going to close the lid. On your PC, there's a good chance you don't have to download anything. If I go on the search bar and type scan, you should see the scan app. If it's not over here, it means you need to download it from the Windows Store. It's perfectly free, don't worry. So again, I don't see any scan app, therefore I'll open the Microsoft Store. If you don't see it here, you see that's the Microsoft Store. Type Microsoft Store in the search and open it. I'll go on the top and type scan. This is the app that we need to download, the Windows Scan app. Once you open the Scan app, make sure that on the top here, the scanner is the Canon G4080 series. Under, you can select where you have put your document. So I have put it over here. And this means that I have to select flatbed. Select in which format you want the result to be saved in. Let's say PDF. Click on Show More and you'll be able to select the resolution in DPI in which it will be scanned, and also where on your PC you want the scan to go. I'll select Desktop. And then press the Scan button. If you don't see it anywhere, it's because it's hidden right here. Put this window up and here you go, it appeared. Press the Scan and the printer will go to work. It's currently scanning. The result will be in the folder that you have selected, in my case, the desktop. Thanks for watching. Comment, leave a like, subscribe, and check my Amazon links if you want to purchase some ink bottles that are compatible with this MegaTank printer from Amazon. I'll put links down below. See you in the next one.